Yes, hi. This is for the anybody who have an issue with the Honda Odyssey fast blinking light front or the back, or the bulb blow out, and you replace the bulb and you still having an issue with the fast blinking light. With my experience, what I find out is that when you have a fast blinking light on the Honda Odyssey, meaning that you have one of the bulb turn signal is out or blowing out, the front or the back. I had an issue with the right turn signal, and I replaced the front bulb, and my light was still blinking very fast. And the problem was that what happens is when you have a bulb, the system is designed with a certain resistance with the bulb that's inside the Honda. And when the bulb blows out, your blinking light starts blinking very, very fast. So to correct that problem, I replaced it with a new bulb, and I was still getting an intermittent fast blinking. So when you do it, what you have to do is replace the bulb front and the back at the same time, and that's when I solved my problem, because thought I thought it was maybe my blinker relay, but that's not the issue. The issue was that when you change a two different name brand bulb, you would experience the problem, because different bulb has a different resistance in the system. So that being said, Honda comes with the Stanley light bulb 7440NA. A stands for amber. And local Walmart, AutoZone, and the Pep Boys, they sell Sylvania light bulb, which is Sylvania, Bosch, and they don't have the Stanley. So if you experience the same flash blinking issue, then I would recommend to go to Honda, buy the original bulb, and then just replace one. But if you want to eliminate the problem and buy aftermarket bulb, then I would recommend you to replace the bulb front and the back at the same time. Now you can get away with just replacing one passenger side at a time or driver side at a time, meaning that you have to replace the front and the back with the same name brand, same quality name brand light bulb. If you replace just the front with a different name brand, and in the back you have a different name brand, you will have the fast blinking issue, because the both bulb has a different resistance, even though they don't draw the same 12 watt and they are 21 watt bulb. But again, the resistance, the bulb manufacturer have a different resistance, and that could trigger Honda software inside or blinking fast issue. So that being said, again, replace it with the same name brand. Go with the either left side or the right side, front and the back is the same time. If you go with the aftermarket, either Sylvania or the Bosch, or stick with the original Honda manufacturer bulb, which is probably cost you 2 times more, but it is Stanley, made by Stanley. And the Japanese, they also have a different Philips, Toshiba, different manufacturer makes it. Koito is another name brand, Koita. But long story short, this is to give you the heads up of people who experience the fast blinking issue on the Honda Odyssey 2005 to 2007 or up or down model. Thank you.